Casey and the School Day Sneezes, read by Nurse Melissa. Casey was excited. It was back to school time, and she was starting 3rd grade. Casey really liked her new teacher, Miss Keene, and she was happy that her best friends, Olivia and Jack, were in the class too. But by the end of her first week, Casey was feeling pretty bad, all because of the sneezes. When Casey did a math problem on the blackboard with chalk, she started sneezing. Achoo! When she petted Funny Bunny, the class's pet rabbit, she sneezed again. Achoo! Achoo! When she went to her favorite class gym, she sneezed and sneezed and sneezed. Every day at school, Casey's eyes got watery and her throat felt all tickly. She had to blow her nose all the time. It was hard for Casey to concentrate on her lessons. And by the end of the day, she was tired and sleepy. Miss Keene was concerned. "I think you should visit Nurse Dazzle," she said. Casey was worried. She had never gone to the school nurse before. "Nurse Dazzle is awesome. You never know what she's going to do," said Olivia. "She's magical. She always makes me feel better," said Jack. Still, Casey gulped as she knocked on Nurse Dazzle's door. Come in," sang out Nurse Dazzle. When Casey opened the door, she couldn't believe her eyes. The room was filled with colorful balloons. Casey smiled. "Do you feel better already?" said Nurse Dazzle. "Now, let's see. Scratchy throat, runny nose, teary eyes, and lots of..." Just then, Casey sneezed. "Sneezes," said Nurse Dazzle. "I know just what you need. Are you ready for a small adventure?" Casey nodded. Nurse Dazzle handed Casey a balloon and took one for herself. "Now hold on tight," cried Nurse Dazzle as she held Casey's hand. "I'm shrinking," said Casey. "This is amazing." Soon, Casey and the nurse had shrunk down to tiny specks, holding on to their balloons. They flew down the hall to Miss Keene's classroom. The class was outside at recess. "Casey, the reason you've been feeling so bad at school is that you have allergies," said Nurse Dazzle. "There are things all around us like pollen, dust, mold, and pet dander," she said. "Some kids can be allergic to them inside or outside all year long." Casey watched some dust as it floated by. "So I could be allergic to the dust and mold in the locker room? And Funny Bunny too?" Casey was sad. "Yes, but allergy medicine can help you feel better," said Nurse Dazzle. "Your mom should buy the kind that doesn't make you feel drowsy or jittery, so you can be at your best in school." "I'll tell my mom," said Casey. "I really like my new class, and I don't want to be sneezing and tired all the time." "Okay, but first, let's get you back up to size," said Nurse Dazzle. Later, Nurse Dazzle, Casey's parents, and Miss Keene talked together about ways they could help Casey take care of her allergies. Mom helped Casey take the allergy medicine before she left for school. It was easy, it tasted great, and she only needed to take it once a day. Miss Keene helped out by wiping the dust and Funny Bunny's fur every day, and she explained Casey's allergies to the class so that everyone would understand. It turned out that 2 of Casey's classmates had allergies too. Now, when she goes to school, Casey is happy. Her nose doesn't run and her eyes don't water. And best of all, she can concentrate on her schoolwork. She can even pet Funny Bunny without sneezing.